Hey everyone, hope you're having a good day. My name's Andy, my channel's Finding Value. If you like investing in undervalued assets, and right now it seems to be commodities are the spot to be for being undervalued, subscribe to the channel, click a thumb up if you like this content. I'm going to go over an overall market update, touching on a whole bunch of different things. So let's get into this and see what I've got on this overall kind of market update. So first we're going to start with some cannabis stocks. Aurora Cannabis. And I know some people don't like Aurora Cannabis. They don't like the Canadian cannabis companies. I'm just charting this out. This is for educational purposes only. But this chart pattern looks like it's breaking. So, or if it didn't break today, it's right at the tip here. But this one looks excellent in terms of a technical standpoint. Next, Tilray is looking excellent. You can tell it broke to the upside of this pattern here, and it's running higher. Next is Afria. It broke its pattern here, maybe even a cup and handle pattern. Broke to the upside. That's typically where you want to buy on a cup and handle break pattern. Next, Canopy Growth. Same thing, cup, handle, and then the break. American Airlines, you can tell it's right on its downtrend line. Some people like the airline stocks. It's right there. I would wait for a break first. Spirit Airlines, same thing, waiting for the break. It's approaching its downward trend line. Archer Daniels Midland looks excellent right now. It broke through its downtrend. This is a massive chart pattern. Zooming in, and it's back testing. This has a very good pattern right here. This would be a stock that I'm interested in. I have already entered this stock, but it looks very good. Mosaic is another one. I'm going to say this again. It's poking through its downtrend. This is a very long, decade-long downtrend. And it broke. Oh, I didn't do another one here. But this one here is just broke out, looking very good to enter. Mosaic, MOS. South 32 broke its little congestion pattern to the upside, looking great. I know there's a lot of resistance coming through here. It looks like it broke to the upside, and now it's free to run for a little bit. Let the cheetah out, let it run. Next, Norilsk Nickel. Look at this. We got a little bullish engulfing here. We had two small down days, and then a little up day that's engulfing this other one. I think we could see this go higher tomorrow. It looks very good. I like Norilsk Nickel right here. Telluride. This one was up quite a bit. Maybe it ended there, but this is a cup and a handle pattern, and we're right there. Keep in mind, if this thing breaks, I mean, it might break and backtest, but when it breaks, there isn't much resistance here. It could run for quite a bit of a run here before it really hits something tough. So you might see this thing kind of really jet up here as it goes. So that's one to watch. I'm loaded up in Telluride. I like the company quite a bit. I'm very curious and very excited to watch the next couple of days for Telluride. GTE, this is our Grand Tierra Energy. There's another line here. It kind of broke out of this cup and handle pattern. Cup, handle, break. We hit off this another resistance line. It's gathering steam, and I think we're going to go and attack the upside again. Once it breaks through here, I think we're going to run maybe to this area up here somewhere. Maybe $1.90, dollar, something like that. Silj. Unfortunately, this does not look that good. We came back. We had a nice, good wick on the bottom. The buyers did not step in here. The sellers did. So we may have a little bit more room to pull back here, unfortunately. I'm just as excited and just as anxious and frustrated with silver right now. We've had a couple of false breakouts before this. We broke out. Now we might be coming back and back testing again. The back test that I'm referring to is this downtrend line coming through here, and it may come back a little bit more to try to back test that. So be patient. Be patient. Don't be selling out. Look to acquire more shares soon. SM Energy, looks like we're having a pullback in that as well. This is a bearish engulfing. We'll see what this thing does on a pullback. Maybe it's one that kind of just goes sideways like this. But it looks like it's a bearish engulfing. That's typically a bearish pattern with a little bit of a pullback coming up. Curious to see what happens the next couple of days. That's what I've got for this market update. So unfortunately, gold and silver, we had big down days, and then we had some up days next to it. Perhaps it can pull out of this. But by looking at some of the stocks, by looking at some of the indexes, it looks like it potentially could pull back further than what we've done. So if you guys like this content, subscribe to the channel. I give you guys updates. I give you guys a bunch of possible picks. If you want to take them, it's up to you. This is not advice by any means. I'm just getting information in front of you. Click the thumbs up button if you like this content. I appreciate you guys listening. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. This is Finding Value.